And in our top business story, China is well positioned as Dubai's top trading partner, with bilateral trade volume valued at 47 billion dirhams in the first quarter of 2015. That's according to a senior official. The director of Dubai Customs, Ahmed Mahboub Musabeh, revealed the figures following a business meeting with the Consul General of China in Dubai, Li Lingbing. Musabeh hailed their exceptional commercial relations, noting that Dubai-China trade scored a record 175 billion dirhams in 2014. The two sides explored Dubai-China bilateral trade ties and discussed mechanisms for further coordination in customs operations to see more growth and prosperity in their mutual trade. The Chinese Consul General praised the role played by Dubai Customs by putting in place top customs services and facilities for Chinese traders and investors. She also stressed the importance of enhancing economic cooperation and coordination for stronger economic relations between the two countries. Apartment rental rates and sales prices for prime buildings are on the rise over in Abu Dhabi. That's according to the latest report, following a slow start to the year. The latest Asteco UAE Property Review report shows an average rise of 6% from Q1 to Q2 and a 4% year-on-year, respectively, for apartment rental rates and sales prices. Another highlight is that a new legislation is set to reinforce market credibility, with prime supply to grow significantly from 2018. The real estate company reported a 6% rise in the last quarter for rentals. The majority of prime, high and mid-quality developments increased by 4 to 6% upon contract renewals, whereas new leases were on average 8% higher than in Q1. Some of Abu Dhabi's most popular prime developments, such as the Eastern Mangroves and St Regis Residences by TDIC, recorded rent renewal increases of 12% and 10% respectively. Sales prices for apartments and villas remain steady, continuing the trend of the last 12 months, while year-on-year figures showed an average positive growth of 4% in apartment sales prices. Asteco also predicts an increase in rental rates for quality villa stock in high-end developments over the next few months, in the absence of any major handover of new villa stock before 2017. Meanwhile, office rental rates remain stable in Q2 due to significant availability in key locations across the city, including new prime supply, which has put pressure on rates of lower quality space. The Statistics Centre Abu Dhabi has revealed that total foreign direct investment stock grew by 14.1% from 71,931 million dirhams in 2013 to 82,083 million in 2014. A breakdown of this growth reveals varying increases in the shares of several activities, led by the financial institutions and insurance activity, which advanced 33% from 10,137 million dirhams, or 14.1% of total FDI stock in 2013, to 13,486 million dirhams in 2014. The real estate and business services activity, including real estate sales to non-residents, increased to 24,895 million dirhams, up from 23,599 million in 2013. Manufacturing accounted for 17.3% of total FDI stock in 2014, attracting investments worth 14,210 million dirhams, up 8.9% from 13,043 million, or 18.1% of total FDI stock in 2013. Mining and quarrying, including crude oil and natural gas, grew by 21.6% in 2013 to 8,838 million dirhams by the end of last year. The Arab Bank Group has reported a net profit of $422.9 million after tax and provisions. That's for the first half of the year, a growth of 2% compared to $414.9 million in the same period last year. The group's net profit before tax reached $559.7 million. According to a statement, Arab Bank maintained a strong and healthy capital base as shareholders' equity stood at $8.1 billion, with a capital adequacy ratio of 14.3%. Customer deposits also increased, reaching $34.8 billion. That's compared to $34.4 billion at June the 30th, 2014. In addition, loans and advances grew to $24.1 billion compared to $23.7 billion at the end of June last year. The bank's CEO commented that net operating income grew by 4% to reach $590.8 million, thanks to the bank's focus on its core banking activities as well as its efficient asset allocation.